Okay, after allowing the gel to solidify, I pull off those bumpers and I take off the comb. And what you end up with is this area in here called the wells. If you looked from the side, they would have a depth, but they would not go all the way through the gel. We have the bumpers off because this is how we'll run our electrophoretic analysis, using those little wells to add our samples. We'll be doing that in a moment. I want you to see what the gel actually looks like and how it behaves. So it's very much like agar. It's made almost exclusively of water and buffer. I actually cracked this one in between some of the wells so that maybe, if I turn this correctly, you can see that those wells do not go all the way through the agar, that they only go partially through, because that's where our specimen is going to sit, is within these little wells that you see here. Okay? So this is mostly liquid with electrophoretic buffer to conduct electricity, but it has that pure polysaccharide agarose in there that the molecules will migrate through much in the fashion of a maze, or as I taught you guys, boats traveling through icebergs out in the sea, the salty sea being analogous to the buffer. So I will set this up in a moment so that you can see how this will be put together, and then we'll go from there with the electrophoretic apparatus, or what's called sometimes, one of my colleagues, Professor Hudson, I like the word, and I hadn't heard it because I guess I'm ignorant, but we're going to put together the gel rig.